A day in my life as a college student at STI.
Good morning guys! Welcome to my vlog. I just wake up in the morning. Hi guys! Almusal tayo! Di masarap yan?
Dapat nagla-live ka para makita ko ni mama.
Ito na nga oh. Hi guys!
Salabok po.
Labok in the morning.
With egg.
With egg. How much yan te?
Makita ni mama.
How much yan te?
Plus egg is 35.
Sige. Let's go guys. Let's eat. Palabok in the morning. Let's go guys. It's toothbrush. Toothbrush time. Let's go. Hello guys. I'm going to school. Let's go.
We are connecting this. And fortunes. Basics. Hospitable. Hindi, sasabi lang tayo sa mga ano eh. Pero sige, nag-adjust.
Hello sir. Going to SM. Hello guys. Welcome to my vlog. Going to SM. Kaya may video. Kaya may video. Hi guys, going to SM. SM North, SM Fairview. Hello guys. Dito na kami. Hello guys. Welcome to my vlog. Guys. Yeah. And you. I'm here in the SM Fairview. Yun. Nakakaulang. Pero Bisaya ako eh. Guys, alam ko sa vlog. Alam ko sa vlog par.
Saan ba tayo?
Sir pa.
Libre mo ba? Oo.
Ali lang dyan yung kare-kare mo ba? Kare-kare? Ali yung kare-kare? Video. Hello guys, si Chuks to go. Hello guys, nandito kami. Mga fucking shit. Fucking shit, bye. Fucking shit. Hello guys. Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my vlog. Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Dito kami sa Chuks to go. Let's go. Alright. Hello guys. Kung saan masarap at pinupuntahan. Masarap, dapat pinupuntahan. Kaya nga. Uy, matapos. Food review.
Masarap ba? Masarap? Food review.
Sarap, sobra. Interview mo.
Sarap par.
Sarap, masarap. 100% 99.9.
Nice.
Let's go na, kung saan masarap.
Kagat ko ako Martin.
Hello guys. Hello. I'm here. In the SM Fairview. Yeah, anong masasabi mo sa ating...
Iba pala to. Iba itong ano.
So guys, in Korean noodles, I'm here. Ikaw pre, bibidyo ka?
Oo, video kaya ako.
Ikaw, magbibidyo ka?
Oo, man.
Kayo, ikaw magbibidyo ka?
Oo, man.
Ikaw?
Video ako.
Hello guys, we are SM today here. Woo! guys. Hi guys. Going home na. Sandigan Bayan here. Matasan. Hello guys. Nandito na our home here.